What's up, everybody? Extreme Jordan here with yet another great installation video for you guys today by our good friends at LockerDown USA. Behind me I have a 2019 Chevrolet Traverse that we're going to do a nice easy installation video in. That provided a nice digital iLock safe for. So without further ado, let's do this quick install. Alright everyone, so inside this Chevrolet Traverse, what we need to do is we need to take out the mat and all the contents inside this vehicle, put it off to the side. LockerDown again has provided their nice iLock digital safe for this thing. Super easy install. I'm going to show you guys real quick. You drop it right in, and the hardware that they provide is 4 self-tapping screws that go in the front and the back of this safe. It helps fully secure it. The tools we're going to need is we're going to need a small little drill. I like to use this little 90-degree angle to help get in these tight little spots here with a Phillips head screw bit. Other than that, it should be super straightforward. Alright guys, so to start this install, we gotta first open the safe to begin with. So we gotta go with combinations 1 through 8 that they pre-programmed. So, okay, you'll hear it ding. Open the safe. So on this installation, all we're gonna do is we're gonna drop the safe straight forward into the center console nice and safely. And you'll see 2 holes in the rear and 2 holes in the front. They provided these 4 self-tapping screws here, and you're going to put the 2 in the front and 2 in the rear, and this will secure the safe inside the Chevy Traverse. So let's continue. Alright guys, so we have our angle bit here with the Phillips head screwdriver. We already got it set with the holes that they're pre-drilled, come from LockerDown USA. So I'm going to go ahead and install these self-tapping screws. Just like that, nice and snug. You don't want to over tighten to strip the plastic. Got the fronts in, now I'm going to do the rear. You have to get your hands in there. It's a loose spot. Take yourself a tapping screw, find your hole, and then screw. Just like that. Last but not least, there you have it. Fully secured, locked, ready to go. All your personal belongings are now safe thanks to our good friends at LockerDown USA, featuring their iLock digital combination. That's it. Alright everyone, so that does it for our installation video on the Chevy Traverse from LockerDown USA. Make it super easy. Again, drops right in, has 4 self-tapping screws, fully secures. This customer's going to be super happy that he can now protect all his personal belongings. Something else to add, LockerDown actually offers a universal accessory as well that has a magnet. Anything magnetized can stick to this, doesn't slide, doesn't fall off, super heavy duty. It comes with a double-side stick back. You can stick anywhere inside the car, even inside the safe. Has 2 self-tapping screws if you want to secure it even more. You don't really need to, but super convenient, super cool little added accessory there. Make sure you check this out on their website. So I want to thank you guys for watching my video. Make sure you check out all the other videos I have and more to come in the future. Make sure you turn on those notifications and make sure you follow me at Extreme Jordan. Thanks for watching.